Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make motorcycle donuts. First, find a large, empty space, like a deserted parking lot, far from any traffic or pedestrians. Make sure your motorcycle is in top mechanical shape, especially the tires and brakes. You'll need to understand the basic physics of a controlled slide, which involves balancing throttle, clutch, and brake inputs. This foundational knowledge is key to performing donuts safely and effectively. Before you begin, always wear full protective gear, including a helmet, gloves, and sturdy boots. Sit on your motorcycle, engage first gear, and hold the front brake firmly. Now, apply a steady amount of throttle while simultaneously releasing the clutch smoothly. This action will initiate the rear wheel spin, starting your donut. Practice this coordination slowly at first to get the feel. As the rear wheel begins to spin, you'll need to modulate the throttle to maintain a consistent slide. Use your body weight and counter steering to control the size and shape of your donut. Look where you want to go, keeping your eyes focused on your intended path, not directly at your front wheel. Smooth, small adjustments are better than sudden, large inputs for a controlled spin. Always prioritize safety. Practice in a controlled environment, ideally with an experienced rider present for guidance. Start with small, slow circles and gradually increase your speed and lean angle as your confidence and skill grow. Remember, mastering this takes time and patience. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.